Okay, I'll be guiding you on a tutorial to show you how to deposit your HAMSTER token to your BYBIT Telegram wallet. Okay, once you click on you open your HAMSTER Combat. Okay, once it's load, you click on your airdrop icon, takes you down to the withdrawal aspect side. You see BYBIT page. If you have the account already, you click on yes, I have the account. Okay, it says BYBIT UID. Okay, user identity, you see HAMSTER deposit address and the memo. Okay, then you open your BYBIT. If you are verified already, by the top side corner, left corner of your phone, you see the icon there. Click on it. Below your email address, you will see the UID, user identity number. Okay, tap on it, it will say copy. Okay, then you head back to your Telegram, you paste it under the UID. Then for the HAMSTER wallet address, okay, go back, go under your asset, click deposit, click on deposit crypto. Okay, you search for HAMSTER, you see it, HAMSTER. Okay, you click on it. Yeah, it's under Tom blockchain. You click on the Tom. Then the memo, the notice, it says to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the HAMSTER deposit address HAMSTER deposit memo / tag when making a deposit. Okay, to avoid failure of loss of funds. Okay, click OK. Then you copy the wallet address. You head back to your Telegram. Okay, you input it here. To get your memo, go back. You copy the memo or tag. Then you head back to your Telegram. You paste it here. Okay, then you check properly. Then you save and choose. Okay, click on save and choose. Okay, I guess my network is delaying. Okay, yes, it says well done, stay tuned with updates. Thank you.